You do not need coding to build a fully functional application of your dream. That was older approach that people asked you to learn coding, syntax, database thing, technical stuff to create a fully functional application. But in today's time, we have a very revolutionary approach which is called vibe coding. Most of the people know about the approach, but 99% of the beginner get it completely wrong. Everyone out there is telling you to spend months to learn coding, syntax, programming concepts, and many other wild things. And here is the truth. People want you to believe that you need to spend months to learn coding, syntax, databases, and many other technical stuff to create an application. But in real life, there are people who made billions in revenue just by using vibe coding without writing a single line of code, without having a complete technical knowledge. So tighten your belts, because in this video, I am going to tell you how can you create website and application with the principles of vibe coding without writing a single line of code and without having a complete technical knowledge. No experience required, no complex setup, just pure creative building. And the platform which we are going to use to create website and application is Base 44. We have different features of Base 44 to talk about, but we'll tell you about this in the video. So let's start. Alright, this is Base 44. You can click on the link in the description and it will redirect you on this page. So right in the center you can see the input box where you will be prompting about an application and AI will handle it all for you. It has few more features. For example, just click on this plus button. It allows you to upload file from Google Drive, from a computer, from URL. Also, if you have something in Figma, it will allow you to upload it from there as well. After that, it allows you to select models. I have selected automatic, and very important feature which I find important is plan mode. Just toggle on this plan mode and this AI will become your assistant. I mean, you just need to give a simple English prompt to the AI what your application will do, what kind of website you want or application you want. The AI will create a complete plan for you, and if you improve it, it will start generating an application for you. And after that, it allows you to give a voice command, and last, the generate button. These features may sound very simple, but these are very effective features. The plan mode is indeed a very important part of Base 44. So let's build something simple and practical in real life. So rather than complicating the things, I'm creating something simple like to organize the baby article whenever the family is going out. This will actually solve the problem for the new parents as well, so that they will have a list of the baby article whenever they're going out, so that baby won't feel any inconvenience during the travel, right? So let's start. I came to Base 44 and I gave a very simple English prompt to AI which says create baby's article list application for new parents, allows user to add items, mark item added, and show the progress report, right? That's the simplest form I could give to create an application. Right after giving a prompt, AI started thinking of the possible solution and asked me some questions like what kind of visual vibes I want and what are the baby items I want in the list. I just skipped the questions and let the AI handle everything. Right after skipping the question, it gave me a plan which says what would be the intent and the goal of the application, what would be the audience and roles in the application, and a core flow. A core flow is something that describes how application will work. So it works like that. So whenever parents opens application, they see overall progress percent and category breakdown. They can browse pre-filled items by category, they can check off the items, and the progress bar will update automatically in real time. It will also allow parents to add custom items in the list as well. It gave some technical requirements things and design preference. I skipped all of them because this is of no use for now. I just approved the plan. Right after approving the plan, it started writing the code, and in just few 5 to 10 minutes we have an application ready. So application had everything like the progress bar, the percent thing, the categories. It shows 8 categories, add item. But I find one thing weird, like it do not allow user to download or export the list of the items that parents has been selected or user has been selected. For that, I gave a simple English prompt to AI again to add a button to export or download the list. Right after hitting this, we have this export functionality over here. So now let's just test the application. So I'm selecting some items from different categories. I'm adding milk powder in the feeding category as well, so that add item functionality can be tested. And yes, now click on export. Now just open the export list. Yes, here we can see the items which we have selected is marked yes in acquired section, and which we have not selected is marked no in acquired section. Alright, so the application is working fine. So is this all? We started with the idea. We gave idea to AI. AI gave plan to us and started executing the plan, and the application is ready right in front of us. But Base 44 is actually far more powerful than we can think of. So see, this is the preview of the user's perspective. What if we want to do some manual things and developer needs the things? For that, we can go to dashboard section. Right in dashboard, we can see the user section, the database, what are the tables it has created and how the tables are being linked to each other. What are the analytics? The analytics pretty good. It use the graphs things, right? And also the security things. Two important things I would like to drag your attention to is logs and APIs. In logs, it will see what are the things, what are the instances has been created or clicked during the working. And API is like API documentation. It will let you understand what are the APIs endpoint it has been created and what are the features of it. Like if the endpoint is get, post, delete, update, so it has created all these things as well. So basically the API documentation is very important for a developer. And right after that, if you want to make any change in the code manually, you do not want AI to make that change for you, you can come to the code section. Here you can see the folder structure. Right in folder structure, you can click the files related to your changes. You can go to the file and make the changes over here, and boom, you are done. It allows you to download the code base in the zip format as well. So is this all? Actually no, it allows you to publish it and generate a live link which is shareable, right? So for that I clicked on publish. I am just selecting the app visibility. For now I'm selecting no login. You can select the login things as well, login required. So I'm selecting no login and publish application. Right after clicking publish application, it generated a link. You can copy the link and going to new tab, paste and see. We can see now our application is live. Everyone can see it from their system, right? One important feature is you can connect your GitHub account with Base44 as well. So these are the few features of Base44. See how amazing it is. And now let's compare things. If we would have created the same application through previous methodology, it would have taken somewhere around 5 to 6 months. Why? Because there is database connectivity, there is API documentation, there is users things, there is many other things apart from codes. And the codes things would obviously will take more than 1 to 2 months. So overall things will take somewhere around 5 to 6 months. And here we have created the same application in less than 30 minutes. Vibe coding is not just taking less time than anything else. It also allows user to focus on the creativity, focus on creating the website application, their methodologies, their features on different things, not just writing the code line by line. So this is vibe coding, a simple aspect of vibe coding through Base44. Alright, so the video was all about Base44 and vibe coding methodologies. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.